Caravan 8, Mike Foxtrot, turn right, heading 230, runway 19 left, altitude clear for takeoff.
After departure, turn right, heading 230, and we're cleared, takeoff 19 left, 18 Mike Foxtrot. Okay, so we're finally en route. We departed Wichita this morning for Santa Maria, and it's amazing to finally be on our way to Australia. Quite challenging. We've been studying the weather the last few weeks actually, to just see a trend of course, but of course more intense in the last few days. And right now I have 38 knots headwind, and over California there were
94-1, Kinsey Center, squawk 4622.
icing forecast and lowering overcast as we get closer, and also the weather in Santa Maria is not the best. Anyway, so we departed an hour and 25 minutes ago. We're cruising at 10,000 feet now, and I just did my first fuel transfer, and it all works very nice. I emptied the last the app tank and put that into the right tank. All the fuel is transferred into the right tank. I'll explain to you how this works. So we have two pumps here, one primary and one backup, and all the tanks we manually connect with these valves. So we open up the valve for the tank we want to use fuel from, or we want to transfer from, and then we open up the valve to the right wing, and then we just flip the pump on. If the primary pump fails, we have a backup pump, same type of pump, so we kind of have a double system of pumps. Put that on. The power it comes straight from the aircraft bus, 24 volts. Goes into this,
63, go ahead.
Goes into this inverter, where it's inverted to 12 volts, and it has a fuse here. We have a spare fuse, also taped to the side here in case the fuse pops, and then it goes to this outlet here where there's another normal
battery
adapter. So in case that inverter would fail, I could pull out that adapter and put it into the aircraft superglider.
132.25.
So we have pretty good backup. But of course, we try to empty the ferry tanks.
Vandy 4-1, maintain 3,400 until established on a published course of the approach cleared at VOR. Runway 17.
So we make sure that we burn enough fuel, enough to then top up the tanks again. So we always try to keep the main tanks full. So we, as soon as we use enough, we transfer them from these cabin tanks. So I sit here and I continuously we calculate our fuel burn, and we look at the winds, how they change, because on such a long flight, 12, 13, 14 hour
245 kilo Kinsey Center, Clementine,
flight,
230.
just a few knots, makes a big difference at the end. So I always check my required fuel and my actual fuel, and the fuel I've used.
King Air 282 Lima Sierra.
As we progress through the
King Air
flight.
282 Lima Sierra, go ahead.
So that's how it is for now. I'm enjoying crossing half of the continental U.S. from Kansas to Santa Maria. And it's going to be exciting to see what kind of weather is ahead of us. All right. We started our descent into Santa Maria.
Departure equipped 227 Uniform Hotel 2000, climbing 4,000, left turn off
The weather is nice, the clouds around.
November 227 Uniform Hotel, Santa Barbara departure, radar contact, climb maintain 8,000.
Climb maintain 8,000, 227
Set up
Uniform
the
Hotel.
approach, loaded the chart on the iPad, and yeah, it's been an amazing flight. I mean, we've been in the air for over 10 hours, and the time has really flown. It's been really fun. So yeah, just finalizing setting up the approach, and then we'll be on the ground in 20 minutes. Santa Barbara on November 618 Mike Foxtrot, we have the field in sight. I'd like to do a visual.
November 8 Mike Foxtrot, your cleared visual approach, runway 12 Santa Maria. You can contact tower 118.3. Have a good day.
Clear visual approach, runway 12 Santa Maria, tower 118.3. Good day.